Greetings and welcome to your EdTech Quick Tip this week, where I'm going to show you the motherlode of Google Slides and Google Jamboard collaborative templates. Join me, won't you? I love a good template. I know that you guys do as well, judging by the kind of stuff that you guys are interacting with in my newsletter that I send out every week. Stumbled upon this little website. It is called mrspark.org. And so what you're going to find on this page is just a variety of different Google Slides and Google Jamboard templates that you can copy without needing to log in, without needing to pay anything. She's just created these and made them available to teachers like you. So the way it works is you just find one that you want, click on it. Depending upon if it's for Google Slides or Google Jamboard, it'll open up into a screen that looks like this. In this case, it's Google Slides, so you'd click Make a Copy. And now an exact copy of that resource has been copied to your Google Drive, and you are free to edit and change anything that you see on this template. If it's a Google Jamboard template, it'll look just slightly different, but you'll just once again click Make a Copy. And now you've got an exact copy of that Google Jamboard template that once again you can totally edit and change anything on the page. I also wanted to take a minute to highlight 3 of them that I thought were really cool, just to kind of give you an idea of what you're getting into here. So this first one that I found is a check-in sheet that students can access on Google Jamboard. So the way that this works is that you would share this with each of your individual students. You could have them all on the same Jamboard, or you could have each one share those Jamboards with you individually. But this is a way for them to just kind of check in. So there's different questions that have been formulated for each day. So the first day is, if you were an animal, what would you be? So since we're on day 1, I would insert an image of an animal. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now by going over here to the left-hand sidebar, clicking Add Image. And I can do a very simple image search within Google Image Search there. So I'm going to search for an animal. Feeling like a wombat today for some reason. So we'll pick that image there. We'll click Insert. Now we can drag this to day number 1. And then if we go over to the next frame, you can see the day number 2, day number 3. And then at any time, if you find any of these questions aren't what you're wanting, you can totally highlight that and change it. Second template that I found that I really like is this digital warm-up notebook. I just like the look of it with the lined paper and all of the graphics. Just kind of gets me in the mode of, all right, I need to start thinking about some things that we're going to be covering today with the objective, both content and language. What's an English word you learned last week? Today I want to focus on. And I like how easy she has made it for the students to be able to add things to this. So she's got these text boxes, so they can just click right there, type in their response, but they can't click anywhere else. They can't delete anything. They can just annotate on top of that. The third template that I found that I think is really cool is this virtual Tug of War. So we read a statement, we choose a side. The students are going to tug the rope by writing a reason on a sticky note or a text box here within Google Slides. As we go into slide 2, you can then add your statement here. There's our statement. Obviously, that's going to happen. We're going to insert a shape. We're going to do a little square. We're going to go over here to agree. There's our square, and then we can put a little text box on top of that. And there you have it. You get a nice little breakdown, a quick snapshot of how your class is feeling about a particular topic. And that will wrap it up for this week's quick tip. Hope that y'all find it useful. Hope all are well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.